Ooh, they're hot.
Yeah, it's hot. It come clean out that bone though. Hello family, welcome back. In today's video, we're gonna do some oven baked baby back ribs, and we have 2 slabs here. And for the seasoning, we're gonna use regular salt, black pepper, and my own personal season that hopefully I can get to y'all very soon, that I'll be working on. And if you haven't, please subscribe to the channel. Make sure to turn on all post notifications, like each video, and comment to help us get in the YouTube algorithm. And we thank you, and stick around for the rest of the video. Okay family, here we have the 2 racks of baby back ribs, and I washed them to clean them off, and I'm just gonna pat them dry. Then I'm gonna season them, and I'm gonna put them in the refrigerator and allow them to marinate overnight. Then we're gonna put them in the oven and bake them, and then we're gonna sauce them. So if you want to see the rest of the video and see how I cook it and how it comes out, stick around. Let's get started.
Ooh, baby, it's like the world is on our side. Nothing can bring me down tonight. And ooh, baby, when we're together, you and I, your touch sends chills down my spine. Alright, I got a brand new love. Take me away, girl, to a new life.
we got Philip trying the oven baked ribs that I prepared, and he's gonna tell y'all how they taste and if they tender and if he like them. Go ahead.
All right. Ooh, they're hot.
Yeah, it's hot. It come clean out that bone though. You want a fork? Oh, you gonna taste it like that? Go ahead.
It tastes really good.
Is it tender, moist?
It's like really juicy.
It is. Do you like it?
Yeah,
On a scale of 1 to 10, what you give it?
8.6.
8.6. All right, that's good. And guys, thank you for tuning in. We're gonna close out the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Make sure you turn on all your post notifications, like, comment, and we out of here. Peace.